eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo yokorose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomenya segeka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngo tukabari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Chinsa Isano na Ibere igoro cheri tukoria gatano na gatatu mutenyo gatana kabiro mwaka bw'ekiro 2025 Ekeonga asenchera yobo ngencengatira ni Nyaboga veni Nyaboga kurasa umuntu abuyimanyerero bana basonari kuri studio kabiri na rokane kyabuna chibicha na Mario gingo ikirachira asenchera ere yobo ikarano karansoike obona ntugoika omuhario tokumanye igati yari abeire kago ateka korwa imenes ko yorogongoro agusi gose ari agendrete gwatekana togo chaka korwa se county ya Nyamene nigo abora kiwa beskuru yobo bundi gose Nyamira National Polytechnic baro bekana emambia yeri tsukoria rero erikorera chipara chimbe ase enseme yo asabona baro kubore nabo igo ebirero gocha sabarai ko baroseria chipara echo abanyanyimbo nigo babetereriwa ko barutera marioki eriko seberekania abora kiwa bo barengero bororo bonge chibi chakoro ase enseme yo Purkapokara nagendete gukwabwateria oroboti oru na ndochi kugochera ase nchera ere yoboikranu ase Ekeonga Chinsa chire motwe na togosika bosio ebunge ya Senate ekorawa no monogeri bwe bunge yu omoske Amason Jefa King ni igori tukoria rero ya chaka gotegerera ekina igoro yogwa kwa isiko abisi igoro yo mugavana bwe county ya Isiolo omoske Abdi Guyo Senate yu ni igo irachi okore bikaro asa tuko atato kwa gachana neche gotegerera ekina igoro yogwa kwa isiko kwa mugavana yo ase agosoerwe igoro yo gotumeka bobe ya bisi yaye nabo yokurika egati abakore mirimo maminchaneri chiko ebunge ye county ya Isiolo nigo ya mwagete isiko omuske Guyo omwere obomotinyi oeta.
It is now time to commence the proceedings of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. They are later dated the 27th of June 2025. The Speaker of Isiolo County Assembly informed the Speaker of the Senate that at a sitting of the Isiolo County Assembly held on Thursday, 26th of June 2025, the County Assembly of Isiolo approved a motion for removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, the Governor of Isiolo County. The Speaker of the County Assembly of Isiolo also forwarded the following documents to the Senate, being the record of proceedings of the County Assembly and the evidence adduced in support of the impeachment motion. 1. Copy of the approved notice of motion, the motion, dated the 17th of June 2025 and laid on the table of the Assembly on Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting. Soft copy of the notice of motion and exhibits contained in the accompanying flash desk. 2. Copy of exhibits laid on the table of the Assembly on Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting. Video exhibits contained in the accompanying flash disk. 3. Order papers for the Assembly sitting of Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting and Thursday, the 26th of June 2025 afternoon sitting, and a soft copy of the order papers are contained in the accompanying flash disk. Certified Hansard reports for the Assembly sitting of Wednesday, 18th of June 2025 morning sitting and Thursday, 26th of June 2025 afternoon sitting. Soft copy of the Hansard reports are contained in the accompanying flash disk. Copy of a letter dated 19th of June 2025 notifying the Governor of the notice of motion of removal from office by impeachment. A scanned copy of the letter is contained in the accompanying flash disk. Certified copy of a form for verification of signatures for members in support of the motion for removal of the Isiolo County Governor by impeachment, dated 26th of June 2025, made pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 65B. A scanned copy of the form is contained in the
Chinga kiechecho nigo omugavano yo moske Abdi Guyo anyara gosomerwa ama mochaye ayaringa mange gati abo ogotwara ogochaya gocha ase abara yabasubati meye county yo nabo igo gochaya ebisakwe bike imeye county yo korende nigo abakago kana mamochayo ase chintunda isatu.
Of July 2022, yet the county has only 6 departments. C. Appointing chief officers under 2-year contracts, thus creating a climate of fear and uncertainty, which reduces public servants to be servants of the governor and not the people, contrary to Article 73, Clause 1B of the Constitution. The governor failed to renew the contracts of 31 chief officers and instead directed them to hand over to county executive committee members, significantly affecting the continuity of service delivery in the county. And D, appointing 2 deputy county secretaries, which positions are not known to law and are not in the county staff establishment. By engaging in acts which singularly and collectively amount to gross misconduct by the following. A, making disrespectful, sexist and demeaning statements against Senator Fatuma Adan Dulo publicly that are only meant to denigrate and degrade her as a woman leader, thus violating her right to dignity. The governor's utterances do not demonstrate respect for the people and other public officers, nor do they bring honor, dignity, or maintain public confidence in the office he holds. The governor's statements amount to gender-based psychological violence and undermine the dignity and the integrity of the governor's office. B, breaching public trust by making divisive, derogative, and discriminatory remarks against other clans residing in the county, thus undermining public confidence in the integrity of his office and sowing discord in the community. And C, being continuously absent from the county and running its affairs remotely from Nairobi, thus stalling service delivery. Honorable Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, how do you plead to the three grounds? Ground 1, guilty or not guilty?
I plead not guilty.
Ground 2, guilty or not guilty?
I plead not guilty.
Ground 3, guilty or not guilty?
I plead not guilty.
Ekati y'abasaibe kegori ya Gen Z ahubo igo bari ababwatani baime bomurai w'ekiama kiria gia DCP musikeri tigashagwa abo bakageire kubwatiraniwa n'ugusarigwa kw'egitaseni ky'abanyanyimbo gia Kikuyu tariki 25 cy'umutenyo eta chingaki abasaibe kegori ya Gen Z bari korobekana erio kwamiriria ogwitwa kwa 8THJULY na boigo ogoitwa kwa basai omwaka oeta nigo baikiwa bose bwekegambiro kya kahawa omochi o Nairobi na gosomerwa amamochabo abo akiri babasabo nigo bari egatia barai koroense meria yo kwamerere serikali ase boigo egatia basabo bari Peter Kawanjiku na boigo abasai bande 25.
Yona, the issue of Article 38 is important because that is the rights that were being exercised on the material day, the 25th of June, across the country. And it is important, because my learned colleagues had said something about it, just for me to say that in the definition for purposes, I believe, of Section 4, there is a proviso that is made. Yes. Yes, there is a proviso that is made that that is Section 2 actually. That with regard to that where a protest stoppage of work, that there is an attempt that is made by the Anti-Prevention of Terrorism Act to make sure that this law would not apply to certain kind of actions of a political nature. It is our submission that this proviso in Sections 2 of the Prevention of Terrorism Act was meant to ensure that in enforcing, in the implementation of the Prevention of Terrorism Act, the state would not cross the boundary, because actions that are genuinely and undoubtedly of a terroristic nature are punished separately from actions, any inconvenience, any destruction of property that happens in the course of pursuance of a political cause. That was the distinction that was sought to be made. And I believe, as I believe we've had this discussion previously with Senior Counsel Kalonzo Musyoka, the reason was simple. Why Parliament needed this proviso to be included, that we have it in fake democracies, starting with places like Uganda.
Monogeri bwe bunge Moses Masika wetangura nigo aruro kubolia gotia saba Kenya wetanga na barai ba kurusia mangana yokuramana ase mino yabo wetangula nigo aruro kubolia gotia se aba Kenya na boigo abarai goska abarai bari bare ase birogo ase boigo aigerere gitambukero kyomoskerera nere amonegati ya barai bali abasoete imeye serikali.
Sisi katika nchi yetu tusikubali siasa ya chuki. Tusikubali siasa ya matusi. Tusikubali siasa ya kupaguana. We unatoka kabila kubwa, huyu kabila ndogo. Hakuna kabila kubwa, hakuna kabila ndogo. Sisi zote ni Wakenya. Na lazima tuheshimiane, tupendane ili tujenge nchi yetu. Msikubali kamwe mtu yeyote ambaye anasunguka na hasira. Kwa Kiingereza wanasema his mouth is full of bile, spitting like a cobra everywhere. Tusikubali watu kama hao, kwa sababu wewe ukitaka kuwa kiongozi lazima uheshimu wale viongozi walioko. Siku moja ukifika pale wewe pia utaheshimika. Nyinyi mnakumbuka ndugu zangu hapa Mkunguni, tumekuwa hapa na rallies na mzee Raila Odinga mara mingi, kweli rongo? Lakini kura ilipoisha, mzee Raila akaona nchi yetu inahitaji amani, tunahitaji umoja. Siasa si uadui, kubishana si kupigana. Akasema tukae pamoja na Rais Ruto tujenge broad based government ili kuunganisha Wakenya. Kura ikifika, hiyo ni wakati yake, lakini wakati huu ni kuonyesha upendo kwa kila mtu.
Nara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo wenge kominto chikoira na gaiga tokoretera yo mona yanda asenchira yo wenge twara burigire borobia asemiro burira chikogochira sembyo aseka getari Getembe.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na Isano na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile matte MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asegeka k'emyaka 49 ebenki ya Kenya pamoja sako yabere n'omugusi negukinya omugusi ase enengo yae yabere gekorwa obukorere ase Chinsa mu buno savings loans obosemi bwo gutumika chibesam na diaspora savings ase bali